Assalamualaikum. My name is Afiqah Nabilah Binti Abdul Rashid. My number card matrix is A20A1235.
My name is NURUL FAZLIN Binti Abdul GHANI. My matric number is A20A1861.
My name is MOHAMMAD ALIF IMRAN bin LOKMAN. My number matrix is A20A1498.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad MUZAMER bin ELMI and my matrix number is A20A1546.
Hi everyone, so my name is Muhammad KHAIRUL AZHAR bin MOHAMMAD ZUZAIDI. My matric number is A20A1543.
My name is Afiqah Nabilah and I will show you on how to play our simulation project, which is Creative Handcuffs. So for this game, we only need 2 threads of ropes. So it doesn't matter on how long it is. You just supposed to just can grab on your wrist and have a space. That's it. So to play this game, you only need 2 people from one group, and the amount of participants is unlimited. So as long as there is people that have 2 pairs, 2 pairs for one group, so should be okay. So without wasting our time, let's
For this game, I invite my brother and my sister to play the game.
So say hello to my brother and sister. Hello. Hi. So I will continue our presentation, our video just now. So this is the procedure or step to conduct the simulation, which is creative handcuff. First thing first, we need 2 people. This is my sister and this is my brother, and they will show you on how to play this game. So, as I said before, you need 2 threads of ropes. So, what we first do is we will tie the rope in each of their wrists. And one more right here. Like this. So you have the space to play over here. And the next step is we will also put on the one more people over here, which is my sister wrist. But this time, we will intersect them like this. And then also we tie it around their wrists over here like this. Please make sure it's please make sure it was not too tight around your wrist. So, this is the game. You should try to reconnect the bond over here without you cutting the ropes, or maybe do something that kind of sounds unbelievable. Yes. So yeah. conduct how to search for the solution for this kind of problem. We will see how they will do it. Not like that! Not like that! No! 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 Are you done? This is when they need to solve the problem. I said you can't do that. Do like that. I say I will not cut anything from this. Berapa minit dia? You already, you don't want to continue? Yes? Okay. So I will show you on how to solve the game. So basically, first thing first, you need to take this, and then you go from the behind of his wrist like this. There's a space over here like this, you can see here, and then you go put like this, and then you put it inside like this. So you just like that. Oh my god, magic. So just like that, you have already solved the problems for the
yang repeat toh, yang repeat. Makanya dilonggar dulu.
Nanti dimasukkan.
Nih.